I'm getting a strawberry ice cream. It's chocolate and strawberry. This is good. Raining again, and we're going to the buffet. Hey guys, it's after the buffet. It's nighttime right now, and I don't know why we're outside. I don't know what we're supposed to do outside. There's a bunch of people out here too. Hey guys, we're eating a buffet breakfast. I've gotten a croissant and a hard-boiled egg, and I'll probably see you when we go hiking.
What are you doing?
That island thingy, it looks like Taiwan the beach.
The thing is, this is that it's 5.
We're about to go to eat dinner. It is shabu shabu dinner. Today, we don't get to stay the whole day. We're leaving to another hotel. Trail. Looks really pretty. Tables, and there's a really nice scenery. I got spicy chicken. This is good though, guys.